Hello everybody and welcome to this new video. Today we're gonna talk about how I shoot during a wedding. So before we jump into that, don't forget to subscribe because I need all of you to subscribe to my channel and to follow me on Instagram at Ruben Gorjian Photo. I will put the link in the description for you to link on it and follow me. So don't forget to do that. So today I was shooting at the Legacy Castle in New Jersey. It is an amazing location, beautiful and very luxury. So this wedding was shot back in August, very hot, very humid day. So this video is more about the, let's say, let's getting ready portion of the day. So over here I asked this beautiful bride, her name is Leora, to sit down in this chair, and the first thing I always ask her and tell her is to put her high heel shoes. Because of that, it creates a more beautiful picture, and the bride will look more sexy, more beautiful. So I asked her to move her body a little bit to the right, so she has more light from the window. And then I gave her just a simple excuse to what to do, so she wouldn't stare at the camera. So what I asked her, just play with the ring, a simple instruction, so she doesn't get too awkward with the camera. So just play with the ring, smile, and that's how I created this shot. This room was totally white, beautiful. The light from the outside was bouncing all over, and the picture really came out beautiful. I was shooting in black and white, but raw, so I was able to capture the color as well when I import into Lightroom. Then what I asked her, just stand up, go next to the dress, play with the dress, touch it, feel it, smile, and be careful that you had to put the bride with the headpiece towards you, so you feature that part as well. So the day goes on, the moment goes on. Again, a lot of moment I had to split with the video guy. So in this case, the video guy was taking his shot, and I was just shooting behind the scene. The same scene, I was taking different angle, and again, here it is, wide angle, 16-35, Sony GM lens, 2.8, and I was using my Sony A9. Few images of Leora. In this time putting her the earrings, and mom shows up. So what I do, I turn around, I capture mom coming into the room, and she's so happy. Again, take your time, there is no way to rush. Over here I told mom and the sister to just fix the dress, enjoy the moment, fix it, play with it, and with a slow shutter speed I was able to capture this moment where the veil was flowing, the dress was flowing. Over here now I had this changing room which had double window on each side of this little room. So I was trying to use the 16-35 to get the widest shot possible without having me into the frame. So it was a little bit challenging. Nothing that you cannot do. Just take your time, squeeze yourself in, and as you can see, I asked her how to pose, where to point her face into, so of course into the light, and look into the mirror. Again, a couple of shots. I was really struggling not to get myself into the frame. That was my biggest challenge for this scene. The white one. So as you can see, double mirror. I can feature the dress, I can feature the beautiful bride. Few portraits again in the same location. I overexpose the outside so I don't get any distraction from that. Over here the nephews and nieces shows up, so they had a little moment, but then I took the lead again and I asked her to sit at the edge of the couch, not all the way in the back, otherwise they slouch. So ask them to sit at the edge of the couch. I pose her hands and look into the light, which was camera left in this case, because the window was coming from the camera left. So when you pose the bride, just take your time. There is no rush. Prepare your exposure first, and then you start posing the bride. In this case, I opted to overexpose the background because I didn't have any off-camera flash with me, so I opted to overexpose the background, the outside, and to have her face properly exposed. Couple of shots, then we keep moving on, and I had to leave time for the video guy as well. Over here, she was reading a letter that Simon, the groom, wrote for Leora. So I took my 7200 to get those more details. And these are images that you need to capture for the album. So always shoot for the album and have that part in mind when you're shooting a wedding. Then you take the liberty to take a 16-35, again, super wide angle, get the reflection of your subject, and get some creative shots. Over here you can see some of the images that I took during the day. And then was the time for the first look. Again, it was 2 o'clock in the afternoon, August, mid-August, super hot day. And here she comes, 7200, and I switched to 16-35. I had my second shooter up on the balcony to get this wide shot. And I was using 7200 in this specific moment. Over here in this image, super wide, 16-35, exposed properly for everything, and capture those moments. So guys, this is it for this short video. I want to thank you, each one of you, to follow me and to support me. You guys are almost 12,000 people on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram. By doing that, you will give me more support and more material to work on, and to create more videos for you, and you can learn every single time a little bit from me. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. See you next time.